motivate, elevate. Only obligation is to tell it straight.
It's Kelsey here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current curly hair routine, and this is the curly hair routine that I've been using the most lately, because I'm not going to lie, Kendra and I have a ton of products. I switch out my products a lot, but this is the routine that I've been using the most lately because it's the most consistent, and I've been liking my curls with this combination of styling products. But the co-wash and the deep conditioner that I'm showing you guys in today's video is just something that I use like every now and then. Like I switch out my co-wash probably every time I co-wash my hair, and I switch out my deep conditioner every time I deep condition my curly hair, just because I have so many and I like to use them in rotation every week just to get rid of them faster. And plus they don't last that long because I use a lot of deep conditioner, so they probably only last me maybe like 2 times anyway. So yeah, so to me the key to any good style always starts at the sink or in the shower or wherever you wash your hair. I feel that way about my straight hair routine and my curly hair routine. So I co-wash this time with this KLORANE Ultra Nourishing Shampoo Cream, and this is basically a co-wash. I call it a co-wash because it doesn't feel like a shampoo and it doesn't feel like a conditioner. It's like a hybrid between the two, and I've been using KLORANE for about a year now, and I really like this brand a lot. It's so nice, and this is just really moisturizing, and it gets the job done at cleansing your hair too. So if you have like a lot of product residue from your previous wash and go, or if you had a wash and go that went wrong and you just want to wash out all the gunk out of your hair, this is really good at doing that without stripping your hair. Because I'm not gonna lie, I do sometimes feel like I have to use a clarifying shampoo, but it's a nightmare trying to detangle my hair if I do use a clarifying shampoo. So that's why, as far as my curly hair goes, I prefer to use like co-washing creams like this to cleanse my hair. So I get this from Sephora. The very first time I tried this, they did send Kendra and I a PR package, and I had been curious to try this brand for a while, and after I tried this shampoo cream, I was just hooked, and it's absolutely amazing. So I think this is like my 3rd bottle of this. So I co-wash with this first, and then this time I deep conditioned with the Main Choice Green Tea and Carrot Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment. I used their products before. I think I just tried their gel before, their biotin infused gel, which is really nice. I think I used it in my DENMAN brush tutorial. I used their gel, and it's really nice. It does leave a little bit of residue, so you can't be too heavy-handed with it, but it's a really good gel and it smells amazing. But this deep conditioner is really nice. I've used it about 3 times. Like this time was my 3rd time using it, and the bottle is pretty much almost empty. So I need to get another one of this. I got it from Target. It was on clearance. So I was like, it's the perfect time to try it because the original price is $17.99 and I got it for $12.58. Which to me is very cheap for a deep conditioner because I'm just a deep conditioner whore. I've spent $60 on a deep conditioner. I don't care. It just helps my hair flourish when it needs to be flourished and saved. But this is just a really good deep conditioner. It says it's for natural growth and retention solution. Retention meaning retaining length. So if your hair has been breaking off a lot and you're like, oh, my hair is not growing. Your hair is growing. I cannot stand when people say that. Your hair is growing. Your hair grows. But you're not retaining length because you're not deep conditioning your hair enough, so your hair is breaking off, so you're not retaining the length. So I like that this says retention solution. So this would be a really good deep conditioner to try if you've been struggling with breakage. So that's something a lot of people don't pay attention to. Your hair is probably just breaking off. And this also says it repairs and restores, fights shedding and breakage. And then it also says it adds moisture and hydration and improves manageability and elasticity for all hair types. So this deep conditioner is bomb. I need to get another one, like I said, because I'm almost out of this one. So after I co-wash and deep condition, I go right into styling. Oh, and by the way, I let this sit in my hair for about 4 hours. Yeah, probably 4.5 hours, because I watched some of Prison Break and I just let it sit in my hair and ate some lunch. But sometimes I do let my deep conditioners sit overnight, depending on how much time I have or how late I did my hair. But this time I just let it sit in for a few hours. So after I've deep conditioned, I rinse my deep conditioner out, and that's when I go into styling. And my 2 go-to products that I've been obsessed with, this has been like my sure thing curly hair routine lately, because I've been trying so many products, y'all, and I have not been very happy with the results. So that's why I've just been going back to this dynamic duo. So the first product that I use is the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls. And this stuff is amazing. I love Miss Jessie's. I've been using them for years and years and years, ever since I discovered their curly meringue and their curly pudding, like in the jars in Target. I used to spend my tiny little paycheck on Miss Jessie's. It's very pricey, but it's worth it to me. They still have the curly meringue. I'm not sure about the curly pudding, the purple one, because it smells so good. And I used to use that one a lot. But I honestly think they changed the formulation of the curly meringue, because it's in this kind of like bottle now, but I don't like it anymore. I used to really like it, but I hate how it makes my hair feel now. It makes it feel like sticky and weighed down. So I don't use that anymore. But ever since they came out with their like newer lotions, like the Multicultural Curls and the Pillow Soft Curls, even though Pillow Soft Curls isn't really that new, because that's one of my favorites too. I love the Pillow Soft Curls if I want like a more bigger, fluffier wash and go. But I've just been loving this Multicultural Curls. It's really nice. So I apply this all over my hair first, and I just section it like I normally would and apply it to all 4 sections of my hair. And I'm not very light-handed with products when it comes to my curly hair. I'm very heavy-handed because I feel like the more product I use on my hair, the longer my hair lasts, because I notice when I don't apply as much product, kind of like when I do my quick wash and go at the sink, kind of like me and Kendra showed you guys in the video we partnered with Pantene. Like sometimes when I'm in a rush, I still do my wash and go at the sink like that. But I notice my hair only lasts about 2 to 3 days because I don't apply as much product at the sink. But when I style my hair like I did in today's video, where I sit down and like section my hair lasts a lot longer because I'm able to apply more product and section my hair. This wash and go will probably last me about 5 days, which is great. Like I said, I apply a lot of this. So I apply this all over my hair in sections, like I said. It's just a really nice light lotion. It smells really good. It's not really sticky at all. It's like very lightweight. If your hair is a little bit coarser and like your curls are tighter than mine, you probably won't like this, because in my opinion, I feel like it wouldn't give you enough hold. But to me, it gives me like the perfect amount of hold without weighing my hair down. Okay, so after I'm done applying that, that's when I go in with my gel. And the gel that I've been obsessing over, I mentioned this in a favorites video a couple months ago. This is from Jessie Curl. This is the Spiralicious Styling Gel. It's no fragrance added, provides all day hold and frizz control for all hair types. This gel is amazing. Got the Big Daddy, and I still have a lot left. It's like up here. So this is gonna last me a long time because I don't use a ton of this. I use about 5 pumps on each like whole section of my hair. So all 4 sections, I use 5 pumps per section. And I just pump 5 pumps in my hand, and then I'll just warm it up in my hands, and then I mush it onto my curls. And the reason I like to mush my curls with the gel is because I feel like it helps my hair clump better, because when your hair clumps together, when it's like wet and damp with your products in it, it gives you more defined curls once your hair dries. So that's why I like to do the little clumping method. So kind of like prayer hands and go all the way down. So that's what I like to do with the gel. After I'm done doing that, I go in with my Denman brush, and I just do my Denman brush method. I did a tutorial on it, so I won't go into too much detail, but I just basically use this on the ends, because when I use the Denman brush from my roots to my ends, it just doesn't work well with my hair. It honestly makes it kind of frizzy, and it just messes up my whole like clumping, you know, technique. So I don't go in with the Denman brush like at the top. So I only go in with the Denman brush on the ends because it gives me like nice bouncy curls on the ends like this. So that's what this is for. Then I go down really slowly, and then that's how you get a nice bouncy curl with the Denman brush. So it's a really like neat like technique. I mentioned the girl that I found out the technique from in my Denman brush tutorial. So if you guys want to see like a more detailed tutorial of how I use this, I will link that video down below. But if you have a lot of shrinkage, like if you struggle from a lot of shrinkage and you will prefer to elongate your curls more, I wouldn't recommend using the Denman brush, because it does the opposite. It makes your curls really bouncy, so it is going to make them look shorter. It does give me some shrinkage because obviously my hair is not this length, you know, curly girl problems. So my hair stretches like all the way down here. It's pretty long, so it's like at my butt. Oh wow. I'm gonna have to probably cut it when I straighten it. I personally don't mind the shrinkage because my hair is pretty long, so I just like how bouncy my curls look with the Denman brush, because when I do my quick wash and go like at the sink, I notice that I don't like my curls as much and they're not as bouncy, but sometimes I just go with the quick wash and go because I don't always have time to be sitting here with this brush doing like this. It's like I'm flat ironing my hair all over again. But yeah, that's pretty much my current go-to favorite curly hair routine. Like I said, I don't always use the exact same co-wash and deep conditioner, but the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls and the Jessie Curl Spiralicious Gel are the MVPs of this video. So that's the main two products that I wanted to focus on. But I know you guys like seeing what I use at the sink sometimes. That's why I wanted to share with you guys the co-wash and the deep conditioner that I use for this wash and go. So yeah. Oh, and I also just put on a little bit of edge control, but the one that I'm using, I'm not like obsessed with, so I'm not even gonna mention it because I need to get some more hicks. I haven't had any of that in a while. And by the way, the oil that I used was the Agave Healing Oil Treatment. So yeah, that's the oil I used. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys already use any of these products. And if you haven't used any of these products or tried any of them before, I highly recommend trying them because my hair is super soft, super defined, and super bouncy. So yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one.